Who is your best friend?
My best friend is a man named David.
Where does David live?
He lives in the city of Austin.
How old is he now?
David is 29 years old.
What is his job?
He works as a software developer.
Does he work in an office?
No, he works from his home.
Is his apartment big?
Yes, he has a large home office.
Can he work anywhere?
He needs a quiet place to focus.
When did he start there?
He started working there last year.
Why does he like it?
He saves time on travel every day.
Which company hired him?
He works for a company called TechStream.
What time does he wake up?
He wakes up at 8:30.
How does he start the day?
He makes a large pot of coffee.
Does he eat breakfast?
Yes, he eats toast and eggs.
Is he a morning person?
No, he feels tired in the morning.
Who makes his breakfast?
He cooks the food for himself.
Where does he eat?
He eats at his clean kitchen table.
Did he sleep well yesterday?
No, he stayed up late last night.
Would he like to sleep more?
He would love to sleep until noon.
Have you visited his house?
Yes, I visit him every Tuesday.
Can you describe his routine?
It is a very organized daily routine.
What does he wear to work?
He wears a nice shirt and tie.
Does he wear nice pants?
No, he wears his comfortable pajama pants.
Why does he do that?
Nobody can see his legs on camera.
Did he ever make a mistake?
Yes, he stood up during a call.
How did his boss react?
His boss laughed at the pajama pants.
Was David embarrassed?
His face turned bright red that day.
Is he careful now?
Yes, he never stands up during meetings.
Which room is his office?
He uses the spare bedroom upstairs.
When does he start working?
He turns on his computer at 9.
Can he hear outside noise?
No, the room is very quiet.
What computer does he use?
He uses a powerful laptop for coding.
How many screens does he have?
David uses 2 large monitors daily.
Does he listen to music?
Yes, he plays instrumental jazz music.
Why jazz music, specifically?
It helps him focus on his work.
Is the music loud?
No, he keeps the volume very low.
Who calls him during the day?
His manager calls him for updates.
Where does he keep his phone?
He leaves it in the other room.
Would he answer personal calls?
No, he ignores his phone during work.
Have you called him before?
I tried, but he did not answer.
What is he working on?
He is building a new mobile app.
Does he take many breaks?
He takes a short break every hour.
How does he relax?
He reads a few pages of a book.
Which book is it?
He is reading a book called Deep Work.
Is it a good book?
He says it is very useful.
Can he apply the lessons?
Yes, he works better after reading it.
What about his coffee habit?
He makes coffee but forgets to drink it.
Does the coffee stay hot?
No, it gets cold very quickly.
Did he drink it cold?
Yes, he drank the cold coffee yesterday.
Was it a good taste?
He said it tasted terrible and bitter.
Why didn't he make more?
He was too busy to leave his desk.
When is his lunch break?
He eats lunch around 12:30.
Where does he go?
He walks to the downtown cafe nearby.
Is the food expensive?
The prices are reasonable for the quality.
What does he usually order?
He buys a sandwich and fresh fruit.
Who joins him for lunch?
Sometimes I meet him at the cafe.
Can he stay there long?
No, he rushes back to his house.
How far is the cafe?
It is only 5 minutes away walking.
Did he forget his wallet once?
Yes, he left his wallet at home.
What happened that time?
I had to pay for his lunch.
Does he owe you money?
No, he paid me back the next day.
What did he buy for his office?
He bought a new chair recently.
How much was the chair?
The price was $150.
Is it a comfortable chair?
No, it hurts his back after an hour.
Did he return the item?
He lost the receipt for the chair.
Why did he lose it?
He threw it in the trash by mistake.
Can he fix the chair?
He tried to use a soft pillow.
Does the pillow help him?
It helps a little bit, but not much.
Will he buy another one?
He wants to save money right now.
Which store sold it?
He bought it from a local shop.
Who assembled the chair?
He put it together by himself.
What time does work finish?
He stops working at 5 o'clock.
How does he end the day?
He turns off his computer immediately.
Does he check emails later?
No, he never checks emails at night.
Is he tired after work?
Yes, his eyes are usually very tired.
Where does he go then?
He goes to the living room to relax.
Can he watch TV?
He likes watching movies in the evening.
Which movie is his favorite?
He loves the movie The Social Network.
Why does he like it?
It is about technology and business.
Have you seen it?
Yes, we watched it together last week.
When did he watch it?
We watched it on Tuesday evening.
Does he cook dinner?
Sometimes he makes pasta or salad.
What does he drink at night?
He drinks a glass of cold water.
Who visits him in the evening?
His brother often comes to visit.
How do they spend time?
They play video games for an hour.
Is David good at games?
He is very skilled at racing games.
Did he win last time?
Yes, he won every single game.
Would he play all night?
No, he needs to sleep for work.
Can he sleep easily?
Sometimes he thinks about code at night.
What helps him sleep?
Reading a book helps him relax.
Which room is for sleeping?
His bedroom is at the back.
Is he happy with his job?
Yes, he loves being a developer.
What is the best part?
He enjoys solving difficult problems daily.
Does he miss the office?
He misses seeing his friends every day.
How often does he go there?
He goes to the office once a month.
When is his next visit?
He will go there next Tuesday.
Can he work from home forever?
He hopes to continue this routine.
Why is it better for him?
He saves money and feels less stressed.
Who supports his choice?
His family supports his career choice.
Would he change anything?
He wants a better office chair soon.
Did he have a good week?
Yes, it was a very productive week. My channel has 100 plus practice videos just like this. Tap my profile now, subscribe, and let's improve your English together every single day.